Hi! Today for Math Workshop, we're going to be thinking about the comparing strategies we know and using them to answer questions like how much more or how many more. Let's go over our strategies. We have matching, where we line up 1 to 1 and see what's left. See which line is longer. We have fair share, where we take them away and see what's left. And then we have count and record, where you count and write down the number in each group, and then you think which number is bigger. You can think by counting out loud or looking on the number line. Today, I'm going to teach you something new. Let's get out our marbles, our cubes, and our whiteboards. Let's start by thinking about how much more or how many more. We're going to use our strategy today called matching. All right, I have some cubes here and some marbles. You don't have to make this one. You can just watch. I'm going to line them up using the matching strategy. I make sure each one has a buddy. All right, think in your head. Which is more, the yellow cubes or the marbles? That's right, the yellow cubes has more because their line is longer. Now, the new part is to think how many more. These are all the same, but there is one more yellow cube. This means that there is one more yellow cube than marbles, and there is one less marble than yellow cubes. You can use our words more, less, and same as. Let's try another one. All right, I have some marbles and some cubes. Let's start by using the strategy matching. I'm going to line them up 1 to 1. Remember, they each need a buddy. If you run out of space, you can push them down a little bit like me. All right, think. Which has more? Which has less? That's right, the marbles has more because its line is longer. The cubes have less because its line is shorter. How many more? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 more marbles than yellow cubes. There are 3 less yellow cubes than marbles. Are you ready to try it on your own? Okay, I'm going to line them up. I want you to tell me how many more and how many less. Which one has more? That's right, the marbles have more. How do you know? That's right, we know because the marbles line is longer. How many more marbles than cubes? That's right, there are 2 more. 1, 2. How many less cubes than marbles? That's right, there are 2 less cubes than marbles. Pause now to do your math homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de matemáticas. Today's math homework is Tarea de matemáticas de hoy es play, match up, and figure out how many more and how many less. Have a family member make 2 piles, one of cubes and one of marbles, to play just like I did. Make sure when you match them up they all have a buddy. Juega un partida y calcula cuántos más y cuántos menos. Haga que miembro de la familia haga 2 pilas, una de cubos y otra de canicas, para jugar como lo hice yo. Asegúrese de que cada uno tenga un amigo cuando los alinee. And practice your number tracing. También practica tu rastreo de números.